Yes, the class in the recording now. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Sujata madam. Fine. So the topmost is called as universal. So all is called as universal positive and this no is called as universal negative. Same way, the bottommost is called as sum. Sum is called as particular negative and sum not is called as particular negative. Okay, fine. So this is a particular chart that you need to remember. Now we'll proceed with the conditions. Okay, first one is called as contradictory. Contradictory means opposite. Okay, see here, all is opposite to some not. You can see the line here, the x mark. Okay, the relationship between all and some not is called as contradictory. Contradictory means opposite. If I say yes, you're going to say no. If you say no, I'm going to say yes. Okay, same way, the relationship between no and some is also a contradictory statement. It's also opposite. Okay, therefore there are two pairs of
मैडम
contradictory.
आपका आवाज ब्रेक हो रहा है,
Is it the same
बीच बीच में सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है मैडम.
others? Is my voice is audible properly for you?
Yes, ma'am. Audible.
Kindly check network issue from your side. I'm using very good network. Okay, I purchased a new dongle for this class only. Okay, kindly check network issue from your end also. Fine. So the relationship between the all and some and no and some is called as contradictory. I hope you have understood. In simple, the relationship between A and O and relationship between no and some is called as contradictory. Clear? So see the rule now. See the pair. A and O. Where is A here? A is here. O is opposite. And again, I and E. Where is I here? I is here. And O is opposite. Okay. So this relationship is called as contradictory. Clear? So if one is true, the other must be false. Okay. If all is true and opposite should be false here. Okay, same way. If some not or if O is false, then opposite should be true because it's a contradictory opposite. And same way, if no is true, the opposite should be false. If this is false, this should be true here. Okay, so opposite thing it's called as contradictory in simple. See the rule. If one is true, other must be false definitely and vice versa. Same thing I told you just now. Okay, one is true, other must be false. And next, if one is undetermined, other will also be undetermined. If you don't know whether it is true or false, you cannot give conclusion for this. Okay, because in question they should say, okay, all A or B is a positive. Okay, then you can say some not is a negative here because it's a contradictory. Okay, if they're not giving whether the question is true or false, you cannot draw the conclusion. Clear? So if one is denial of other, denial means opposite to other. Okay, all is opposite to some not and no is opposite to some. Okay, so that's the meaning of this word. One is denial of other. Next, they are same subject and predicate but differing in quality and quantity. Okay, hardly once you got this question in the whole 5 years or 6 year question paper, we'll see what is that quality and quantity. See here, quality means positive and negative. Positive and negative. See here, which is positive here, I showed in the first PPT. Which is positive? Positive is this, negative is this. Okay, and universal and particular. Universal means this and particular means this. Okay, the relationship between A and I is called as positive. I mean, yes, the universal and particular. And this kind of relationship, A and E, see here it is positive and this is negative. Okay, this is called as the relationship between quality and quantity. See here, quality means positive, negative. Positive and negative, universal positive, universal negative. Whereas quantity means universal and sorry, it is particular. It's a typing error. Universal and particular. Universal means topmost one, and particular means bottom one. Okay, I'll repeat once again. See here, universal positive, universal negative. Okay, next, universal positive, particular negative. Okay, so this relationship is called as quality. This relationship is called as quantity. This is not so important. You can refer any question paper. It was not asked. Only one time they were asked in the exams. Okay, so I hope you have understood the contradictory statement. Okay, the opposite relationship is called as contradictory statement. Okay, the opposite relationship is called as contradictory statement. Somebody is telling to repeat. See here, quality. Quality means positive, negative. Okay, positive means positive means this one, this relationship. All and E. See here, universal positive, universal negative. So this relationship is called as quality. Quantity, universal and particular. Universal and particular. Please be in mute. Kavita madam. If, yes, in the class, if you are making noise, I'll directly remove from the class. No excuses. Fine. I hope you have understood the quantity and quality. Quality means positive, negative. Okay, positive, negative comes in the top. Okay, universal affirmative, universal negative. So the topmost is called as a quality. Quantity means universal and particular. Okay, universal will be in the top and particular will be in the downside. Okay, let me show here. See here, this is called as quality. Universal affirmative, universal negative. Okay, so positive and negative is called as quality, and this one. Okay, this is universal and downside is called as particular. This relationship is called as quantity. Okay, this is not so important. Again, I'm telling. Clear? I hope you have understood the contradictory statement. Opposite is called as contradictory. A is opposite to no, O, and no is opposite to I. Okay, so we'll see some example. You'll understand. Please listen carefully now. All men are honest. Okay, in the bracket they're telling it is true. Okay, where is all? All is this side. Okay, some men are not honest. Okay, so for all the opposite is some not. Okay, so it is going in opposite direction, right? So it is contradictory statement. And what is the rule of contradictory? If one is true, other must be false. In the bracket they're telling it is true, so your answer should be false here. Your answer is false here. Okay, first condition is you should check what kind of relationship it is. So in this question, both the questions are from contradictory. You see here, all and some. So all is here, opposite is some. Okay, so this is, sorry, some not. So this is the relationship of contradictory. And one more condition is, if one is true, other must be false here. Okay, so in the question they're telling it is true. So your the option should be false here. Okay, I hope you have understood the first example. See the second one. Some pen are black. Where is some is here. No pen are black. So some and no. So it is going in the opposite direction. Opposite direction. Opposite direction means contradictory. Okay, one more condition is, if in the question they're telling false, obviously your answer should be true here. Because opposite. Clear? So both the statement are coming under contradictory, and by seeing the question whether it is true or false, you need to decide about your answer whether it should be true or false. If question is true, your answer should be false. If question is false, your answer should be true here. So simple. Clear? So will this question has been taken from your question paper. Okay, instead of giving two statement, they'll give three statement. Whenever they give three statement, compare the first statement with second, and again compare the first with second one. Okay, this is your statement. This is your conclusion number one. This is your conclusion number two. Compare the statement one with the conclusion one. Then compare the statement one with the conclusion two. Okay, in that way, we need to see whenever there is a two or three statement. Clear? So now we'll see the answer. All A or B. So all is here. Some A or B. So some is going this side. So this is not contradictory statement. Okay. So now your option statement one is wrong here. Okay. So now remove the statement one. Now compare the statement one with the conclusion two. All A or B. Some A or B. Sorry, no A or B. So all is here. And no is here. So even there is no relationship here. This is not contradictory. Okay, now start comparing the second with the third one. Okay, second with some A or B. Where is some? Some is here. And see the option number three. It is no. Okay, so this pair is a contradictory pair. So your right option is B and C. Okay, so B is this one, some, and C is no. Some and no is a contradictory statement. See here, some and no. Okay, so pair B and C is having satisfying the rule of contradictory here. Any doubt with this contradictory statement? say yes if you're understood. If it is not understanding, say no. Quick. Any doubt with a contradictory statement?
Ma'am, could you please tell me again, ma'am?
Ma'am, please don't speak. You can put in the message. Fine. So madam is requesting for repetition. Ma'am, please listen. It's a opposite combination. Okay. So A is opposite to some not. Same way, no is opposite to some. Okay. This opposite pair is called as contradictory statement. Clear? So you need to see in the question. So if in the question they're asking about find out the contradictory statement, then your option should be within this two pair only. And one more condition is you need to search whether the question is in the positive or negative. If it is question is positive, your answer should be negative. If question is negative, your answer should be positive. Okay, this is the condition. So now see the example. All men are honest. So where is all? All is here. Okay, some men are not honest. So some not is an opposite. Okay, so it comes under contradictory statement. Okay, as in the question they're telling it is true, your answer should be false here. Clear? So this is your answer. Same way, some pen are black. Where is some? Some is here. Next, no pen are black. No is here. So even this is going in the opposite direction. If it is the opposite direction, it is called as contradictory statement. Okay, so as in the question that they are using it is false, your answer should be true here. Okay, go with the third one. All A are B. Where is all? All is here. And second one is some. So all and some. This is not contradictory pair. Okay, so this option is wrong. Again, compare the first with the third one. All and no. All and no also not contradictory pair. Okay, again it is wrong. Compare the second with the third one. Second is some is here, and third one is no. So it going exactly like opposite. So it is a contradictory statement. Okay, so here the pair is option B and C is a contradictory statement. I hope it is clear now. Is it clear now? Fine. See, if it is repetition also, it's okay, but you should understand 100%. Where it is written A, B, C. Ma'am, first one is A, second is B, third is C. I not just written the numbers over there, but it is A, B, C. Okay, second one is B, third one is C. So this B and C comes under contradictory statement, some and no. Okay, it's moving in the opposite direction. Okay, so here B and C is a contradictory statement. So we'll go with the next one. See, please check the network from your end, and if Bluetooth is on, kindly off that Bluetooth from your mobile or the laptop. Okay, that will make you the connectivity issues. I'm using a new dongle, so I don't think I'm having issues here. Okay, so we'll go with the second one, contrary statement. Okay, please listen carefully. The top one is called as contrary, which is topmost here, all and no. Okay, the relationship between all and no is called as contrary statement. The relationship between all and no, I mean the topmost is called as contrary statement. Okay, so this is about the pair. What's the condition? Both statement can be false. Both statement can be false, but both cannot be a true. What's the meaning of cannot be a true? It means if one is true, other must be false. Okay, that's the meaning of both cannot be a true. And one more tip here, whenever you're picking this first statement, see here, we're using a word can, right? So can means the answer should be doubtful. This is a int. You won't find this int in most of the textbook. Okay, I'll repeat once again. The rule says both statement can be false. Can be false. So when we are picking can, your answer should be doubtful. But both cannot be a true. Both cannot be a true means if one is true, other must be false here. Okay, we'll try to understand by using an example, so you'll understand thoroughly. Okay, this is about the rule. So again, it's always universal. This is very important. Okay, all contrary is always universal. This is universal affirmative. This is universal negative. Okay, both are in the universal. Clear? So this is about second point. It is always between universal. Universal affirmative, universal negative. Okay, so only contrary lies between universal. Okay, so second one is done. Third one is again the rule. Okay, so and if one is true, other must be false, definitely. So even this I have discussed. Okay, so this differ in quality. Okay, what's the meaning of quality? We have discussed there. Quality means universal and particular. Okay, so contrary lies between universal and particular. Okay, again, this wording is not so important. This you won't get in the exam. Okay, just you need to remember what's the relationship between contrary. Okay, relationship is the relationship between all and no. It's called as contrary statement, and this contrary statement lies with the universal. Okay, universal affirmative, universal negative. Clear? And the rule is both statement can be false. Both statement can be false, but both cannot be a true. What's the meaning of cannot be true? If one is true, other must be false here. Clear? We'll see an example. Fine. So see the example here. Listen carefully. No reddish paper. No reddish paper. Where is no here? No is here. Okay. All red are paper. Where is all? So all is here. So it means that statement number one, conclusion number one, both are contrary statement. Okay. See the bracket, what they're telling. So they're telling it is true. See the rule, both cannot be a true. It means that your conclusion one is false here. I'll repeat once again. No red is paper, no is here. And all red are paper, all is here. Okay, the relationship is called as contrary. Okay, so in the bracket, they're using a true here. Okay, what the rule says, both cannot be a true. It means if one is true, other must be false here. So we got the conclusion for, answer for conclusion one. So it is false here. Okay, now this one is done. Move the comparing statement number one with conclusion number two. No red is paper, no is here. Next, some red are paper, some is here. So what is this relationship? Contradictory. Clear? So as in the bracket, they're using a true. Okay, contradictory means opposite. So this answer also false here. Final conclusion is both conclusions are false here. Okay, first two is contrary statement. Statement number one and conclusion number two is on contradictory rule. Okay, same way to see the second one. No red is paper. Where is no? No is here. Next, all red are paper. Where is all? All is here. So both are contradictory statements. So as they're using false here, see the rule, both statement can be a false. So as they're using a can, your answer should be doubtful. This I've told you when I explained the rule. Okay, both statement can be a false. As we are using this first statement, as there is a can here, your answer should be doubtful. Okay, so conclusion number one, answer is doubtful here. Okay, now see the statement number one with conclusion number two. No red is paper, where is no? No is here. See the conclusion number two. Some red are paper, where is some? Some is here. What is the relationship between these two? It is again contradictory. Okay, see the question. They are started with the false. So your answer should be true here. Because contradictory means opposite. Okay, so your final conclusion is conclusion one is doubtful and conclusion two is true. Any doubts? Put it in chat box. Quick. Quick. I'll just wait for 1 minute. Any doubts? Fine. Fine. Anita ma'am, I didn't get you, ma'am. Ma'am, please listen carefully. The relationship between A and E is called as contradictory. Sorry, contrary. Okay, the relationship between all and no is called as contrary statement. The rule says if both statement can be a false. Okay, so whatever the statement, two statement are given, it can be a false, but both cannot be a true. Both cannot be a true means if one is true, the other must be false. Okay, see the example number one. No red is paper. Where is no? No is here. Okay, all red are paper. All is here. So both are coming under contrary statement. Okay, now apply the rule. So in the bracket, the given end, it is a true. Okay, what the rule says, both cannot be a true. It means if one is true, other must be false. So in the question, they are given true. Your conclusion one is false here as per the rule. Okay, now you got the answer for the conclusion one. It is false. Move the statement one and conclusion number two. Statement one says no red is paper. No is here. Okay, and some red are paper. Some is here. So it is going in the opposite direction. Opposite means contradictory. Okay, contrary says opposite. So in the question they are telling true, it means that this is a false. Okay, so your final conclusion is both conclusions are false. Okay, they're given two combinations here. One is contrary and other one is contradictory statement. I hope it is clear now. Fine. So if you have understood the contrary, okay, sub-contrary is just an opposite. Okay, you can see the figure here. So where the contrary is lying, the contrary in the topmost. Okay, so just opposite it is sub-contrary. Clear? So whatever the rule we have studied here, we should just put opposite rule to this. Example, both statement can be a true, but both cannot be a false. I'm just changing the true or false here. Okay, so we'll see the actual PPT now. Sub-contrary, the relationship between I and O is called as sub-contrary. Okay, the relationship between some and some not is called as sub-contrary. Okay, rule is getting just the opposite to the previous one. Both can be a true, but both cannot be a false. Okay, see the previous one. It just changed here, false and true. Here it is true and false. Okay, rest everything is same. Okay, so and one important thing is it's always been particular. Okay, particular affirmative, particular negative. Clear? So this was universal affirmative, universal negative, whereas sub-contrary is particular affirmative and particular negative. So in short, it is called as particular and opposite one. I mean the topmost is called as universal. Okay, so we'll see an example. Some P are Q, where is some is here. Some P are not Q, where is some not is here. Okay, so this two relationship is called as sub-contrary. Sub-contrary. So see in the bracket what they're telling, it is true. Both can be a true. So as we're using a can, your answer should be doubtful. See the conclusion. Conclusion is doubtful. So simple. See the second one. Some P are Q, some is here. Some P are not Q, so it's here. So the relationship between these two is called as sub-contrary. Okay, but in the bracket they're using a word false here. Apply the rule. Both cannot be a false. Cannot be means if one is true, other must be false. So as first statement is false, this should be true. Over. See the third one. Some blue or star, very some is here. Some blue or not star, so it's here. So again, this is the relationship of sub-contrary. Okay, see the bracket, it's they're telling it is true. Okay, true means see here, both can be a true. Can means doubtful again. So conclusion one is doubtful. Okay, so your conclusion one is over now. So compare the first statement with the third one now. Some blue or star, no blue or star. So some is here, no is here. So it is contradictory statement. So as you started with the true, your answer should be false. See the main conclusion. Conclusion one is doubtful because it is sub-contrary rule, and conclusion two is false because it is contradictory rule. Any doubt? Put it in the chat box. Quick. Just an opposite rule. Fine. Fine. Second example, ma'am. Shweta, ma'am, I'm repeating once again. See now. Some P are Q. Where is some here? Some is this side. Some P are not Q. It means this one. Okay, the relationship between some and some not, it's called as sub-contrary. Clear? In the bracket, they're telling it is false. Okay, so see the rule. Both cannot be a false. Both cannot be a false means if one is false, other must be true. Okay, that's the reason the conclusion is true here. Shweta ma'am, I hope you have understood this. Shweta ma'am? Yes. So this is about sub-contrary. If you know the rule of contrary, this is very easy. Okay, so exact 5 minutes, the meeting will get ended. Okay, you can use the same link and rejoin again by leaving 2 or 3 minutes gap. Because whenever we keep recording, it takes at least 2 or 3 minutes to get converted into the video. Okay, by just leaving 2 or 3 minutes, so you can join the class by using same link. Move the last one, subalteration. Okay, so subalteration is the right and left side. Okay, all and I mean all and some, and no and some not. Okay, this relationship is called as subalteration. Okay, the relationship between all and some and no and some not is called as subalteration. Okay, So this says this is universal, right? Whenever the universal is true, okay, so sum is also true. Okay, if I say all my students are intelligent, okay, in that case, even Shweta madam will be intelligent. Clear? So whenever the universal is true, the conclusion will also be true here. Clear? And next, this one, same way. Okay, all my students are not intelligent, so Shweta is also not intelligent. Okay, whenever we started with the universal, your particular will be same. Okay, for example, I am sitting in a room. Okay, I'm giving a particular year. Okay, so if I ask the question, is my old building it belongs to me? So you'll get a confused. Okay, it maybe belongs to me or it may not be belongs to me. Okay, if I say old building is belongs to me, do you think the room where I'm sitting it belongs to me? Of course, yes. Okay, what I'm trying to say, whenever the universal is true, your particular also will be true. But if you're going in the reverse way, it is doubtful. So I'm telling that the room where I'm sitting is not mine. Okay, do you think this old flat is belongs to me? So it maybe belongs to you or not. Okay, so whenever I'm moving from this side to this side, okay, it will be doubtful. When I'm moving from top to bottom, it will be positive only. Okay, so, Shweta is not good girl. Okay, I cannot say all my students are not good girl. Okay, so it is doubtful. They might be good or they might be bad also. I hope it is very simple, it's very clear. Okay, whenever you are starting from universal, the particular is always true. But whenever you're going a reverse from sum to all, it is doubtful. I'm not telling it is negative, it is doubtful. Clear? Same way here also. If they started the question from this and if they're asking the conclusion, then it is doubtful. Whenever the question is from top to bottom, it is true always. Clear? So we'll try to understand. And one more important point is, so it lies between both universal and particular. Okay, so what's the relationship? All and some. So it is universal and this is a particular. Okay, only sub alteration is lies between both universal particular and universal negative. Okay, so we'll see a small example, very good example. See here, all red are roses, all red are roses. See in the option, some red are roses. So some means downside. So if this is true, obviously this should be true. All building it belongs to me. Even the flat where I'm living is also belongs to me. Okay, it should be true. Second example, some red are roses, some red are roses. They're telling it is false. If this is false, even this should be false. This room is not belongs to me. Even that home also not belongs to me. Okay, whenever you're going in the downward, it's always false. Whenever you're going from upward, is always true. Okay, take the third example. All red are roses. Where is all? All is here. Some red are roses. Okay, they're telling it is false. So if it is this false, the downside will be doubtful. If it is true, even this will be true. I'll repeat once again. If this is true, this should be true only. If this is false, this will be doubtful. And whenever you go from the downside, everything is doubtful. Clear? So here you need to remember two things. If it is this true, even this will be true. If this is false, this is doubtful. Whenever you're going from downside to upside, it is doubtful. Sorry, false. Directly false. Any doubt with this? From upside, your answer will be either true or false. Sorry, true or doubtful. Whenever you're going from downside, it is always false. Okay, you'll get more number of questions from these three: sub-contrary, contrary, and contradictory. Okay, so I am done with the rules and its application part. So maybe by few seconds we'll get exited. Enter the class by just leaving 2 or 3 minutes gap, and we can restart by learning some of the examples.